How to verify your Eldorado GG account. Your first things first is just open up any web browser that you want to use. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now once you're here, just head directly to Eldorado GG and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you just have to head over directly to Start Selling so that you can verify your account. In here, just go to Accounts, and then you just need to um, upload any documents necessary so that you will be verified and your account will be approved. And here just choose on documents required and then just choose on any options here depending on your scenario. So let's try to use individual and tap on next. Ask for your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, and so on and so forth. It's just a general information. So on the next page, you will be asked to upload your documents or your valid IDs from the front and from the back picture. So once you have uploaded that, on the next page after that is going to be taking a selfie on your own photo. So that's it. That's pretty much it. You just have to complete these informations, these small informations, so that your account will be verified. So that's how you verify your Eldorado.gg account.